This video shows a few of the significant enhancements made to ID Manager 7.0. The first new feature in ID Manager 7.0 is the Wizard. The Wizard is a new screen in ID Manager that is designed for users whose primary use of ID Manager is to create new requests. The Wizard provides an easy way for requesters to create a new request in ID Manager. Users will only see the request types that they have access to create. The Wizard will be displayed automatically for all users that have the Wizard role assigned. The Change Mail File ACL request is a new request type in ID Manager 7.0 that allows a user to create a request to add, modify, or delete an ACL entry from a user's mail file. The requester does not have to have any access to the user's mail file to successfully create these requests. ID Manager administrators can control whether or not users can add, modify, or delete ACLs. In other words, an administrator can allow adding new ACL entries to a mail file, but not allow any ACL entries to be modified or deleted. ID Manager administrators can also prevent modification or deletion of specific ACL entries. Administrators can prevent modification or deletion of default ACL entries, mail file owner's ACL entries, and the administration server's ACL entry. The Change Mail File Quota request is another new request type in ID Manager 7.0 that allows the user to create a request to increase or decrease the quota and warning threshold in a user's mail file and mail file replicas. The requester does not have to have any access to the user's mail file to successfully create these requests. The Change Person Document Fields request is another new request type in ID Manager 7.0 that allows a user to change person document fields in another user's person document. The requester only has to have reader access to the user's person document to successfully create these requests. Fields that are eligible to be changed include the short name, internet address, and any fields on the Work and Home tabs. ID Manager administrators can decide which fields a user will be allowed to change. For example, ID Manager administrators can prevent a requester from changing a user's short name or internet address. For more information on the changes made to ID Manager 7.0, please see the ID Manager Revision History document in the ID Manager Documentation Database.